Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video we're gonna talk about earning money from YouTube in 2022. Is it too late? Right? There's several videos talking about this, and obviously a lot of the videos that talk about this, they all say, man, nah, it ain't too late, right? It ain't too late. You can jump on YouTube and start making money anytime, right? But they usually saying that because they're promoting something, right? They're promoting a YouTube course, and that's what you want to do if you got a course about YouTube. You don't want to sit there and be like, nah, it's too late, right? But what's the truth, right? Is it really too late? In my opinion, no, it's not too late to start making money from YouTube in 2022 and probably beyond. But keeping it real, right? I do believe that you're gonna have to put in more work than the previous years. Really, to me, since like 2018, 2019, you really started that. If you wanted to earn money from YouTube, you had to take it more serious. Back in the day when it first started, it was like you could do anything, throw up any products, any affiliate links, and just start making a lot of money. Even when they first started doing the monetization of channels for the first year or so, you could just put up anything, get viral videos, and just start earning a lot of money. But now, YouTube needs to be looked at more as a real job, a business, to really start making money. And I feel like if you really take that approach, it's not too late to start making money from YouTube. Now, another positive side of that, now it's so many different ways that you can get money from YouTube beyond, just getting a monetized channel and just getting paid from these ads, right? You can actually, do that. You can have affiliate products, that you can promote in your videos. You can create your own products. You can get brand deals. You can get sponsor deals. You could even create videos for other people, be a freelancer, and get paid just for creating videos for other YouTubers. You can actually create channels and sell channels. You can actually build channels for local businesses, right? Look at all of the earning potential that YouTube has. So can you make money in 2022 from YouTube or using YouTube? Yeah, I just showed it to you. I just, proved it to you. The key, in my opinion, is to take it serious. Really look at YouTube as a business opportunity. You want to make time, make time to do YouTube and come up with a strategy. Figure out how you're going to make money from YouTube. Are you going to use affiliate marketing? Are you going to focus on just monetizing your channel and getting paid from ads, which you shouldn't put all your, no, don't do that. Are you going to create your own product? Are you going to work with local businesses and do their YouTube for them? Figure out what's your method, what's best for you, and then go hard. All right, go hard, because I do believe you can make money from YouTube, and I plan on really stepping up my YouTube game and using some of the strategies that I just told you about to really increase my YouTube earnings. All right, now I ain't gonna lie, I just said, yeah, people who say you can make money always on YouTube, they always promoting the course. Well, hey, keeping it real, the course that actually helped me start making money online is by Jordan Mackey. It is called YouTube Monetization and Automation. I can't say it. YouTube Monetization and Optimization. What the hell? Jordan, why you name it like YouTube Monetization and Automation? All right. That course is legit, straight up, right? It is legit, but it is an investment. So only mess with this course, right? If you like, yo, I really want to start making money on YouTube. I really want this to be a business. If you on that level, then check out Jordan's course. Obviously, the link is in the description. I do have this course. I had the original course. It really is legit. It really will teach you how to make money on YouTube. But yes, you do have to make an investment. Just being honest. All right. So anyway, the moral of the story is, if you're watching this and you're like, I don't know if I can make money on YouTube. I don't know if I should start. Is it too late? I think it's too late. It's not too late. Just get to it. All right. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.